Hello and welcome back here. So what I want to do is to quickly sketch something like this. So I'm going to be starting with a new page and I'm going to quickly sketch it. So it's very simple, straightforward and direct with less stress. The first thing I'm going to be doing is to get this a cornered rectangle. So and rounded corners rectangle. So I'm going to click on insert, come to shape, then click it here. Then I'm going to insert it here. Um, just to give us a little bit of idea of what we want to create. Then I'll come to shape outline under shape format. Then I'll pick no outline. Then after that, what do I need to do? So I have to give it a particular color. So I'm going to reduce the round like that. So let's just give it color. It doesn't have to be the same exactly. Then after that, I'm going to Control D to duplicate it so that I have something like this under. Then I'm going to also reduce the roundness at the corner. Then after that, I'll change the color to something light. Then I'll come back here. So okay, so these ones are just pure rectangle. So I'll come back to insert shape rectangle, insert it here. Then I'll come back, no fill at the outline. Oh, the outline should be no fill and the inner should have something. So this is this. Then I can do Control Shift. Then I will double click this and drag this to the right. That will also duplicate it for me. Then I can press Control D as well to duplicate also. So if I do the other Control D here, then I bring this down and boom. Yeah, I have this sketch. As simple as this. As simple as this. Other things are text, which we all know how to do text. So just come to text box. You have a text box and you start writing. Total count. Yes. Then I'm going to carry this, bring it here. So I only put this here for me to have an idea of where I want to place each metrics, so that when it comes to my dashboard, I won't just be hovering around and I don't know where to place that. So I pick total here, then here, my slicers are here and here. So I'm going to pause now quickly. I will include everything that needs to be done. Yes, we are here. So this will give me an idea of what I want to do. So it's not compulsory that it has to be perfect, and you need to have this and that, but at least it gives you an idea. Okay, this is how I want to design this and this is what I'm going to do. Then after that, I'll go back to my Excel. I can actually, sorry, I can actually screenshot this for me to have an idea. Then I can just map this on my head. So then I go on with my Excel. So I'm here. So I know that I have this data now. I've done all that. Then I have also sketch the layout. Oh, sketch the layout. Yes. So the next thing that I need to do is to convert this into a pivot table. So so I'll come back to my data, convert to pivot table. So there are two essential ways. I can go directly, convert to pivot table, pum, and I'm fine. I come back here, but we used to advise early analysts that you don't just do that. First thing that you need to do is to convert your data to proper Excel table. With Control T, that will do that for you. Or you come to insert, then you see table, you click on that, then it converts it to proper Excel table. The advantage of this is that whenever there's an additional data, you just need to refresh your pivot table and everything will refresh. But if you don't convert it to proper Excel table, whenever you add new data here, you need to manually extend the band of the range of the table before it can pick that. But with proper Excel table, you are good to go, and that is fine. So when I do Control T, or I come to insert to do a normal table, it's going to give me another tab here, and that is table design. So I can click on that, and from there I can have pivot table. Yeah, then new worksheet, pivot table. I can add this data to data model. Those are more advanced parts, which in later project we could also talk about that. Then if I click on that, then I have all this. So I can then I can do a lot of things here. So let's look at our sample, and let's see some of the pivot tables that we have. So the first one is origin, is counting origin by count of food. Then I'm going to start origin. Okay, origin, your pivot table fields, this is rows, which is going to be holding the categorical variables. This value will be holding continuous variable, except if you want it to count. This is to spread the columns, and this is to add your filter. So I can also pick my origin and drag it here. In order not to confuse us, let's say I pick season, I can drag it here under value. Normally, season is a categorical variable, but it's going to be counting it for me here. So let me just call this total count. Total count. Okay, good. So I have this here. Then from my total count, I think we also have some other metrics. So I'm just going to copy all these, put it at the other column. Then I'm going to remove this, because I want to get the total count now, not by country, just the total count, just like we have here. This is the total count, this is the sum of the prices, and this is the average score. So I want to get these other three pivot table, and that is what I want to do here. Very easy. Just do this, then remove the row, then it gives you the total count. I'm going to copy this, Control C, copy everything, Control V here. Then what I want to do is the price. So I'll remove this, click on price. You can see this is giving me the total price. Because price is in USD, I can click on this icon, then I pick this USD in dollars. Then I'm going to reduce that over there. Then I'm going to copy this as well, Control C, then Control V, put it here. So what I need here is popularity score. Then I click on popularity score, but I want the average, I don't want the total. So I'll click on value field settings, then click on average. Then from the average here, you have average of popularity score. From here I can do number formatting, then decimal to 0. Okay, yeah, I'm good. So this is fine this way. So let's go back to our sample. So the next thing that we have is we have the winter, the season with the sum of prices and count of origin. Season, sum of prices, count of origin. Then the last one here. So I want us to quickly do this within 1 minute. Sorry, so that everything will be within 10 minutes. Yes, let's see if you can achieve that. Okay, so here what we have is season. So I'm going to take origin away, bring season here. Good. We have season with price and count. Okay, so we have our count here, then we need to include the price. Okay, I think the price come before the count. Okay, good. Then from here I can right click, number formatting, currency, then I need USD, dollars, United States. Yes, reduce the decimal. Okay, yeah, and I have that total count. Then the other one is I need the item, then I need the count, sum of price, then average. Okay, so I need everything here by item. Okay, good. So I'm going to come here, then I'll copy all these, Control C, then I put it here, Control V. So you have to copy everything within the pivot table. If not, if you don't copy everything, for instance, you copy just this, you leave the grand total, then you are not copying the pivot table. You see that the pivot table axis is not showing. It's not going to show like what we are having here. so it's not going to show because you didn't copy everything. So I'm going to delete that. So from here we have items. So I'm removing season. Click on items, it's going to populate it for me. Then I need the popularity score, but in average popularity. So I'll just turn this to AVG to save space, essentially. Number format, number 0, use 1000 separator. Okay, good. So this is what we need and this is what we have. So let's see. Okay, count price popularity, count price popularity. So I'm going to shift this. Okay, good. So these our pivot tables are ready, so I'm going to name these as pivot tables. Good. So our pivot tables are ready. The next thing is to start building the dashboard itself. So I'm going to remove these. We had that earlier, so I'll remove that. Yeah, and we are good. So next video we are going to start building the dashboard and designing everything itself. Thank you. See you in our next video.